evacuation orders to write their name and social security numbers on their arms so authorities can identify their... Is expected to stay over the Texas coast for days, dumping more than 2 feet of rain before moving to Louisiana. I'm Wendy Ryan.
And I'm Jameson Euler. We'll get the latest on the storm's path from Dennis in just a moment. But first, we go to ABC Action News reporter Lana Zach.
Makeshift citizens armada, propelled by both their fishing boats and their need to get involved.
Everybody's been coming out.
The scene going door to door, rescuing more than 300 people.
And right now everybody needs help, so we got to come together and help as many people as we can.
Hello.
Hey Chris, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
How's everything?
Good.
Listen,
what's going on?
Everything's alright. I'm just calling to see who's actually mailing out what and when.
Actually Savage sent his stuff yesterday. He sent the tracking number, and P already sent his stuff. He sent it through the Red Cross because the cases were too heavy for us to ship. And Rockabye is sending his stuff. It went out yesterday as well. So
who's heavy hitters?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. Okay.
Sadly, not everyone could be saved, including Houston Police Sergeant Steve Perez, who drowned on his way to work just 2 days shy of his 61st birthday.
We couldn't find him, and
Hi there. We at Gym Gang have decided to help the flood victims out of Houston. With the tragedies of Hurricane Harvey, we have asked our Gym Gang family to contribute items that are needed down there in Houston. We had Gym Gang P out of New Jersey come up with 50 cases of water that he donated to Red Cross. We had Gym Gang Savage out of New York. Him and his family donated clothing for men, women, and children, as well as toys and blankets. We also teamed up with the Heavy Hitters out of South Carolina, which they actually went grocery shopping today and bought lots of canned food items that we really appreciate them sending. Here at Gym Gang, we wanted to donate stuff for children since school was just starting. So what we did was we got 50 Ziploc bags and we filled them up with coloring books, pens and crayons, stickers, healthy snacks, a drink, and toothbrushes for 50 children. We have Iron Man Gym Gang down in Houston living, and we will be sending him these items, and he will be hand delivering them to a few shelters that we've researched that we know the items will be going to families in need. We are asking for everyone out there to help the Houston victims, as definitely this was a terrible tragedy and we all need to come together as a family.